everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm back with another reading, which is going to be you versus them in this connection. I have two decks here. One deck will be your energy and one deck will be their energy, so you can always pick and choose which side of the story you will relate more to. So we are going to find what is going on in this connection, how you are taking this connection and how they are taking this connection. What are their feelings towards you? What are your feelings towards them as well? So before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick whatever resonates with you in your situation and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings, and you can also check out my sister's channel. I will add the link to her channel in the comment section. So if you like it, you can always become a part of her YouTube family as well. So let's get started. Let's see with this deck first. Let's see how this person takes the connection, be that you or be the person that you are dealing with. Let's begin with this person's energy towards this connection. Okay, I will explain. Hold on. Let's take this person's energy towards this connection now. Okay. You basically both want the same thing, but it's more like, you want a fresh start. They want to end something before they can have a fresh start with you. It's just like, two people looking at one thing from a different perspective. You both want a stable connection, with the one person wanting the Ace of Cups, the other wanting the committed relationship. It's one and the same thing. You both have feelings for each other, but yes, you want to start something new with them. They want to end something so they could give you the new beginning that you are looking for in this connection. Eventually I do see you guys coming together. I do see that you are going to come out of this phase where things seems like maybe they are finished already, or maybe they are finishing right now. Maybe you feel like there's a lot going on in this connection where you maybe not talking to each other. You feel that it is already finished, and then you feel that maybe you could start anew with this person if things have already finished between the two of you, and you are on the waiting side for some sort of a new beginning with this person. I feel like that's gonna come true for the people who can relate to this side of the story. I feel like you feel like the relationship is already finished, but yes, you would you do whoever this person is, if it's I would talk about it as if this is your person's energy and this is your energy. So let's start with this person's energy. I feel like this person feels like the connection is already finished. What you had is already done, and you both have done with it and you have dealt with it and it's finished already. But whatever that person is dealing with in their life right now, as soon as they get done with it, they are going to start thinking of you again. So it's not about you that this person is thinking too much of right now, but yes, once they get done with whatever it is that they are doing in their life, they are going to think of you. So right now, if you talk about the moment when I'm recording this video, maybe this person has very little of you on their mind, or not at all. Once they get done with whatever that they are doing in their life right now, they will think of you. And then they will start thinking of you, then they will start feeling towards you, then they will start reaching out to you, or they will start talking to you. So it's going to be a very slow kind of a process that you will have to wait on for coming from this person. But yes, there is like deep emotions. But having said that, the deep emotions, the love, the feelings, affection is not their priority right now. They are dealing with some sort of shit in their life right now. So it's like this person is definitely somebody who is not at all giving anything to this connection right now. If they are going to be like maybe you are giving 99% to this connection and this person is giving you 1% of it. So it seems like this person is emotionally detached from you right now. Whether you talk to this person or you don't, there is a very little bit of coming from this person into this connection. Not because they are not interested, not because they don't love you, not because they are interested in someone else. It's just that they are dealing with something else, and they are like keeping that one thing in their life as their priority as of now. So you really have to wait for this person to get done with it, whatever it is that they are dealing with, and then think of you exactly the way you think. Eventually, they are going to be wanting the same thing, having a new beginning with you, but at the same time, as of now, they are not putting at all into this connection. So it's like, you are the one who is doing all the effort, and they are not the one who is putting even a bit of effort into this connection. Coming towards you, you feel like, whatever has happened in the past, you really want to start anew with this person. You really feel connected towards this person. You feel like, you are meant to be. You feel like, your souls are already tied to each other. So there is this, firm belief, to the point where you feel like, obsessively, that you belong to each other. So it seems like, you are so sure, this person is so sure of this connection, this person is so sure of what's going to come next. For majority of you who can relate to this side of the story, I feel like, you are so sure that this is going to happen, and you are going to have a new beginning, which is definitely going to lead to a marriage or something very stable. You might be manifesting this connection as well, and if you are not, then you should do that using affirmations, using scripting, using other techniques that can help you manifest this connection exactly the way you want. You should start using the manifestation techniques. You should start having the belief. Once you have that, things are going to start pacing up in the attitude from, coming from this person. He or she is going to start taking you exactly the way you take them. So again, that's going to happen if you use the manifestation technique. It's going to happen quick. Eventually it is going to happen, because I do see that the change that you seek in this person's action towards you is going to come. But if you want to pace things up, you really have to use the law of attraction in your favor, which might not be going right now in your favor. That's why the delays are happening from this side of the person, this side of the story. And I believe this is the person that you are dealing with for majority of you, but the energies could be reversed. So always pick whatever, side of the story you relate more to. So coming towards this person, it's like, they are so much in love with this person. Whether they are getting the attention or not, they have a firm belief about this connection. They know that eventually you both are going to come back together. This belief is going to manifest into their reality, and they are going to have this, new beginning with this person. So I feel like, in coming 2-3 months time, things are going to be exactly how you both desire deep down. But yes, right now, their focus is something that they want to get done with. Your focus is having a new beginning with this person, putting an end to whatever that is going on in this connection as of now. So yeah, this is pretty much it coming up for you for this connection and this reading. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you are willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.